Hi guys, I'm here with this Philips Norelco beard trimmer, and I just wanted to show it to you real quick to let you know that you do have a charger. This has a rechargeable battery that is a quick charger, so here's your connector for that. It claims that you only need 5 minutes to be able to do a full shave, and it does come charged. So you do hear that. It does operate, and it's very easy to change the heads out. Lift from the front and pull back, and then you have a little bit of a latch to catch there, and you'll put that on that way. And that's how you change these out. So there's a nose hair trimmer that goes on there. And I think my battery, I just got this opened, so I was looking at it, trying to figure out how to change the heads, and thought I would put together a video. This one I think is pretty cool. It's a thinner attachment, so you can do like that part of the chin in between there, you know, where they do the little strips and whatnot. But yeah, so this is a nice little gadget to have around when you need something. It will do the job for everything. So this will do nose hair, ear hair, will do the touch-up areas, plus you have all these different lengths to choose from that way, and a little brush to clean, and a bag to keep everything in. So that is your Philips Norelco beard trimmer.